You see this innocent-looking ketchup bottle? Well, it's not so innocent. Inside this bottle lurks something sneaky, something sinister. Sugar. And not just a little. Some brands contain as much sugar per serving as a chocolate chip cookie. Today, we're exposing the hidden sugars lurking in your everyday foods that are sabotaging your health and fitness goals, without you even realizing it. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn might just blow your mind. Alright, first things first. What exactly are hidden sugars? Hidden sugars are added sugars disguised under different names like high fructose corn syrup, maltose, dextrose, or even organic cane juice, which sounds fancy, but spoiler alert, it's still sugar. Food companies are masters of deception. According to the American Heart Association, the average adult consumes about 77 grams of added sugar per day, nearly double the recommended amount. And the worst part? Most of it isn't coming from candy bars, but from so-called healthy foods. Let's play a game. Guess which of these foods is secretly loaded with sugar? Trick question, they all are. Take this yogurt, for example. A single serving can pack up to 24 grams of sugar. That's like eating a scoop of ice cream for breakfast. According to Harvard Medical School, consuming excess sugar leads to insulin resistance, weight gain, and even fatty liver disease. And pasta sauce? Some brands contain more sugar per serving than a candy bar. Who knew your spaghetti night could be a sugar bomb? Now, why should you care? Besides the obvious weight gain, hidden sugars wreak havoc on your body in ways you wouldn't expect. Research from the National Institutes of Health shows that high sugar intake is linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even cognitive decline. Yes, too much sugar could be messing with your brain. So, if you constantly feel tired, sluggish, or get hangry, it's not just you. It's probably the sugar roller coaster you didn't know you were on. Okay, enough doom and gloom. Let's talk solutions. Step 1. Read the labels. Food manufacturers love to hide sugar under fancy names. If you see anything ending in "-ose" or words like syrup, ding ding ding, you found sugar. Step 2. Swap it out. Trade sugary drinks for water, unsweetened teas, or sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon. Step 3. Make your own. Instead of buying sugar-loaded granola bars, try making your own with oats, nuts, and a touch of honey. You control the sweetness. All right, I've got a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, try cutting out all added sugars. No sugary drinks, no processed snacks, just real whole foods. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel. On screen, challenge accepted. Comment below. Let's dive deeper into the impact of hidden sugars on mental health. Studies have shown that high sugar intake can lead to mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. When you consume sugar, it triggers the release of dopamine, the feel-good hormone, giving you a temporary high. But as the dopamine levels drop, you may experience a crash leading to irritability and sadness. Gap-1.0s. Over time, this roller coaster of highs and lows can take a toll on your mental well-being. Consistently high sugar intake has been linked to an increased risk of developing mental health disorders. Gap-1.0s. But don't worry, there's hope. Cutting back on sugar and opting for a balanced diet rich in whole foods can help stabilize your mood and improve your mental health. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains provide essential nutrients that support brain health and emotional stability. Gap-1.0s. So, as you take on the 7-day challenge, remember that reducing your sugar intake isn't just good for your body. It's great for your mind too. Let's talk about hidden sugars in beverages. Did you know a single can of soda can contain up to 40 grams of sugar? That's about 10 teaspoons of sugar. And it's not just sodas. Many drinks are loaded with hidden sugars. Let's take a closer look. Fruit juices may seem healthy, but often contain added sugars. A 250 milliliter serving of apple juice can have more than 24 grams of sugar. Sports and energy drinks can have up to 30 grams of sugar per serving. But don't worry, we've got healthier alternatives. Try infusing water with fruits like lemon, lime, or berries. Herbal teas, hot or iced, are also great options. Craving something fizzy? Sparkling water with fruit juice is a tasty substitute. Next time you're tempted by a sugary drink, remember these alternatives. Your body and mind will thank you. Finally, let's discuss the long-term health benefits of reducing sugar intake. Cutting down on sugar can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Imagine waking up with more energy, clearer skin, and a sharper mind. These are just some of the benefits people experience when they reduce their sugar consumption. Take Sarah, for example. She struggled with constant fatigue and skin issues for years. After committing to a low-sugar diet, she noticed a significant boost in her energy levels, and her skin became clearer and more radiant. And she's not alone. Many people report improved mood, better sleep, and even weight loss as a result of reducing their sugar intake. So how can you stay on track? Start by setting realistic goals and gradually reducing your sugar consumption. Keep a food diary to monitor your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who can encourage you on your journey. Remember, every small step counts towards a healthier, happier you. Your future self will thank you for making these positive changes today. Now that you know the truth about hidden sugars, it's time to take back control of your diet. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And hey, turn on that notification bell so you never miss another health hack. See you next time on screen. Subscribe for more.